So today's a bit of an exciting day. The truck's back. Hey everyone, it is the Honey Badger, and as you can see, she's back. But not finished yet, because I knew that wasn't gonna be the case. We are missing a windshield and a rear window, side windows, the front mirrors. There's no trim, but that's staying off because this looks better this way anyways. But there's still a lot to do. But at least the pickup is back and we can continue to work on it. It still needs buffed too. We just sprayed it, got it out of the booth. We'll buff it here. Not worried about any of that. Just glad to have it back. There were many ups and downs. This also came out way nicer than I ever imagined because the original plan when all of this started was just to paint it, just get paint on it. Just roughly prep it, roughly paint it. My buddy who's a painter though was like, we're gonna do this nicer than that. That way if you wanna wrap over this, it will still look nicer. But he painted it so nice and fixed so many more dings and dents than I even expected, because the goal wasn't to fix the body to make it perfect. Even though, I mean, we got 95% of the way there. There's still some dents that we left because they're gonna be way too much work or we didn't wanna screw with them. And they're also in stupid spots that you will pretty much never see, like behind bumpers and stuff. But the body is basically straight now. We've got a lot of progress done on this to make it way nicer than I ever imagined. So probably just gonna leave it white for now. We can always wrap it in the future if for some reason we wanna cover up this great looking paint job. So we have more projects coming. I'm excited that it's back. It was a bit of an ordeal getting it back because on my drive home from the booth, I lost the clutch. I couldn't get into gear. I couldn't figure out what the problem was. Didn't know if I just had lost my clutch or if the master cylinder died or low on fluid. One day later, because it's been home for one day, seems like I just was low on fluid and we ran out. So I've topped it off. I've been able to drive it in and out of my driveway. I'm not taking it anywhere until I look into a few other things too, just because I don't want to be caught out somewhere. Also, I need a windshield. It's kind of hilarious driving with big goggles on, although very helpful because wind in the face, especially when it's 40-degree wind in your face, it's cold and it's hard to see, so goggles necessary. So we need a windshield. So that should be going in this week, along with the back window as well. New seals, gaskets, everything for that stuff. A lot more stuff coming up for this. Stick with me on it. I promise there will be more, and more sooner, better, faster, instead of how long there was a gap between all the content for the pickup. So it's back. I'm clearly happy and excited. Hopefully you are. Drop a thumbs up. Check out the merch down below in the description. I'll see all of you guys in some awesome upcoming videos. Let's go.